In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pull Smartsheet data into Excel. If you're looking for a straightforward way to transfer your data from Smartsheet to Excel for further analysis or reporting, you're in the right place. We're going to break down the process step by step, ensuring you have all the insights to do it smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll want to open the sheet or report that you're interested in exporting from Smartsheet. This step is crucial, as it not only gets you ready to export, but also allows you to ensure that all your data is up to date and everything you need is included in the sheet. Once you have your desired sheet or report open, direct your attention to the top menu, where you will see multiple options displayed prominently. Next, you'll need to click on the File option in this top menu. Clicking on File will present you with a drop-down menu featuring a variety of actions you can take with your sheet. As you're focusing on exporting data, you'll want to hover over the Export option within this menu. Doing so will reveal another set of options tailored for exporting your data. Here, you should select the Export to Microsoft Excel option. By doing this, you're initiating the process of transferring your data into an Excel format, which is essential for your goal. Once you've selected Export to Microsoft Excel, you'll be prompted to choose your preferred export options. These options might include settings like whether to export all rows or only selected rows, including attachments or comments and similar details. Carefully consider these options and customize them according to your specific needs. It's important to tailor these settings to ensure you get the data exactly as you want it in Excel. With your choices made, the file will then be downloaded as an .xlsx file, which is Excel's native file format. This means it's immediately ready to be opened in Excel without any additional conversion needed. Once the download is complete, simply locate the file on your computer, typically in your Downloads folder unless you've specified a different location, and open it in Excel. From here, you can start working with your data, performing analyses, creating visualizations, or anything else Excel allows you to do. Before we wrap up, consider a couple of quick tips. Remember to double-check your Excel sheet to ensure everything has exported correctly, and keep your Smartsheet login credentials secure, as you'll need them if you ever wish to repeat the export process. By following these steps, you can seamlessly move your data from Smartsheet to Excel and unlock a new level of functionality and versatility for your projects. Thank you for tuning in, and happy data analyzing.